Hello traders, welcome. In this video, we're going to analyze how Nifty behaved, the historical data of Nifty for the month of August. So, in this chart, my Power BI report, I have uh, data for last 40 years, that is 1995 to till 2024, and I have some filters here: year filter, month, and day filter, as well as I have this table with which shows basically Nifty, how many times it was up, down, how much it moved, whether it's a gap up, gap down, those information are available. And to just tell you the basic that for the last 40 years, if you see Nifty went up by 53.5%, and in that whole, the gap up was for 62 percentile. This gives a basic information, and here you can see how Nifty moved was 23,450, and total number of trading days were, you can add this and get it around 7,000 odd. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's go ahead and select August. Okay, so basically for the last, whenever from the point Nifty started, it just moved 667 points. Okay, so from last 40 years, Nifty moved 667 points in August, and it was total around 600 trading days in August. 316 up to 75 down. And if you see here, it was the up rate was around 53.5 percentile, and gap up was around 60%. Okay, so yeah, the lot of the huge historical data won't help us out. Just added to show you the number. This number is very significant. This shows that August is not a bullish month, either sideways or if you can say a lot of ups and downs. Some August in particular year were up, and maybe there, but yeah, we can check it. However, it doesn't make that much sense. We see the move, yeah, 500, 800 up, 300 points. Yeah, it doesn't. Initially, it was sideways, and now it started moving in the last 4 years. I think it's better to analyze last 4 years of data since COVID-19, because a lot of retailers have entered the market, and they're still present in the market. So the data will behave similar to that. So if you go to last 4 months, let's note down what happened in 40 years. Okay, what we observed here is Nifty just moved by 700 points in 40 years, right? So let's say, yeah, for last 4 years we can see Nifty moved 1,500 points. That's actually a bullish. So if you watch last 4 years of data, Nifty August month looks bullish, and out of which 67.9 percentage up, right, and 72.8 percentage gap ups. So this looks like kind of a bullish month now. Okay, not highly bullish, but fair enough. And in that, only the last year was bearish, minus 400 points down, and 22, 21, 20 were highly bullish. And if you look at this ratio as well, the last year was even Steven, and 22 was when all are up months, right? Good data to see. Even the gap ups were, see the ratio, highly gap ups. Only the last year it was a little bit bearish. Okay, so what we can say is bullish, still a bullish month, 1,500 points. and let's see how each day behaved, right? So let's go with Monday. Wow, Mondays were highly bullish. And see, last year was a bearish year, but still all Mondays were up months and 300 points up and gap ups as well. So Mondays are highly bullish in August. Okay, let's go even for the last year, right? Let's remove this. I know not which is not there, right? So this actually goes well for 4 years and last year. Let's go Tuesdays. Tuesdays are equally bullish, but not for the last year. So it's even Steven, nothing much more. So yeah, even, even. Okay, or I can say neutral. Okay, let's move on to Wednesdays. Wednesday also good, 82%, 76, right? High up rate. Again, last year was, even though three times, four times up and one time down, but one time down took away all the gains, I guess. Minus 63, right? Yeah. So total is 24. So I would say Wednesdays are bullish. Here Wednesday, not sure because four up and one big down. So better to avoid, right? Let's go with the expiry. Thursdays. Oh man, Thursdays are really bad. Down. And 23 is really all the five trading session it was down. Others are a little bit, yeah, 2020 was even Steven. 22 was a little up. 2021 was 120 points. 3 trading up, okay. We'll say negatively because the overall is negative. Bearish. Yeah, last year was very bearish. All the five down. See, on Thursdays, Nifty is down. All the five trading session. But on Monday, it is up all the five trading session. See, if you know exactly how it behave on each day, you can plan your trade accordingly. So let's go Friday. Friday also bad. And see, 4 out of 5 down. Even other years are also down. So Fridays are bearish. Okay, so now I can conclude that in the 40 years what we got is a August is a decent month, but only 700 points in last 40 years, so not a bearish, not a bullish month. Sideways, you can say, and in last 4 years, it is a bullish month, 1500 points up in total, on which Mondays and Tuesdays are up. Monday is like crazy gap ups and all the five times up last year as well. Tuesday also bullish, Wednesdays are also bullish, but not on last year. Last year it was not sure kind of a day. Thursday and Fridays are bearish for the August. So with this information, we can plan our trading accordingly. What we can do is we can go bullish on Friday evenings or even on Monday. If you don't want to catch the gap ups, you can go like trade Monday morning for upside and even for Tuesdays. Wednesday maybe you can leave it, and Wednesday evening if you want to catch the gap downs, or Thursday and Friday we can play bearish. And this is just according to the historical data. The other things we need to analyze is the charts. That I will leave it up to you. See the charts, watch out for any events, okay, and then trade accordingly. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Let's see, this August, this 2024 August is a bullish month. Let's all make some profit. Okay, please subscribe, like the video, and if you want this report, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to share with you guys.